So this is the SIM that I got since we're just staying for like 2 days and 1 night. I decided to get this. It's just $15 with 100 gigabytes data. There's a bunch of stuff too, which is cool. You have free unlimited Facebook, line, calls, I guess. Also, 30 minutes international calls me. So, pwede na tatawagan si dude. Anyway, I was just so amazed because when we were in the airport, I asked for, we checked for SIM, and it's about $50. It's very expensive. So, I recommend this. Do not buy in the airport. Go out. Where did we buy this? Rocher? Well, anyway, it doesn't matter. Probably I think all the stores has this. So the requirements is just your passport. They will get your passport number. They will get your birth date, and then they will set you up for your own number here in Singapore. This is valid for 7 days, and that highlighted number right there is my number right here. And yeah, you will have well, pretty much a lot of gigabytes and pretty much affordable. I think I made a good deal with this one. So that's just about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you can like and subscribe.